For thousands of years, when the sun went down, the world went dark. Night meant silence, fear, and complete stillness. Homes were lit only by weak candles and oil lamps, casting shadows that danced on walls and limited human activity. Entire cities slept early, not by choice, but because darkness controlled human life. Work stopped at sunset, dreams paused, and progress waited for morning light. Human civilization was powerful, but blind without electricity. Then, curiosity sparked a question. What if energy could be controlled? Early thinkers noticed strange forces in nature, tiny sparks that hinted at hidden power. Lightning storms inspired bold experiments, proving electricity existed all around us. Primitive tools slowly captured electric charge for the first time in history. Michael Faraday discovered that motion could create electricity, a breakthrough moment. Energy flowed through wires, turning invisible force into usable power. Scientists realized this discovery would change humanity forever. Generators were born, machines that could create endless energy. The age of electricity had officially begun. Thomas Edison pushed direct current, lighting the first bulbs. Nikola Tesla dreamed bigger, unleashing alternating current across distances. A fierce war began, DC versus AC, deciding the future of power. Public demonstrations shocked and amazed the world. Power lines stretched across cities, connecting people like never before. Factories exploded with productivity as machines replaced human limits. Streetlights turned night into day for the first time. Cities transformed into glowing symbols of progress. Electricity saved lives in hospitals with modern equipment. Mass production lowered costs and changed economies forever. Electric transport moved people faster than ever before. Homes became comfortable with fans, radios, and lights. Children studied at night, unlocking education for millions. Television connected the world through shared stories. Power grids became the backbone of nations. The world lit up, country by country. Today, modern cities glow with endless energy. Every phone, computer, and server depends on electricity. Electric vehicles signal a cleaner future. But pollution reminds us power comes with responsibility. Renewable energy offers a safer path forward. Smart cities rise, powered by clean electricity. Technology and energy merge into one system. Electricity is no longer a tool, it is the heartbeat of civilization.